All right, folks, Steve Alcorn here with you once again. I apologize again if the noise gets loud. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Share if you think this will be helpful to somebody else. And leave a comment and hit that bell notification if it tickles your fancy and you want to know when I upload new stuff. All right, big haul today. This is all yard sale stuff. We spent probably close to $100. One yard sale in particular was really good, and that's the stuff I'm going to show you first, and then we'll get into the rest of the stuff. So, without further ado, I got to unlock the door. You guys wouldn't believe how much stuff fits in a Kia. And there we go. The first yard sale was, we did a few others, but the first one that we did really good at was they had all these cameras, and I don't know anything about vintage cameras, but I do know when there's a good deal. They had them for $1 a piece or all for 40. So I took them all. 40 bucks. There's more than 40 cameras here, so we're going to look through that stuff real quick. Polaroid 3D glasses. I didn't even know they made such a thing. They're actually 3D glasses. I don't know if there's much value in some of this stuff, but we're going to look at it anyway. This one was cool. It looks like it's never been used. It's Wollensak iMatic 8mm, and it's still in the box. The cardboard's all still in there. I don't think it's ever been used. Pretty cool camera. I looked this one up, and I think I can get about 40 or 50 for that one, just because it's still got the box with it. Spool type movie camera. Pretty cool. This one was just to throw in it because it was a camera, but it's got a Connex thing, flash. It's a little Argus camera. I don't know if there's any value, probably not. But if not, it'll go for $1 in my yard sale, and I might be able to use the bag to go with a better camera. Oh, this one was heavy. It's a Solex, or Bolex, excuse me. I don't even know. I didn't look at this stuff. I just took. This one needs some cleaning, but that's what it is. It's a little dusty. Boy, that's a nice camera. Bolex 5122. I told you it's like Sturgis out here. Sound macro zoom. Looks like it's pretty dusty. The case is a little rough. It weighs a ton, but it's cool. Don't know if there's any value. That was probably a very expensive camera back in the day. A little box camera, I don't know what brand. Let's see. This one's Kodak. So pretty old Kodak box camera that I don't know how to open. It says somebody wrote 1929 on it. Whether that's the real date or not, I don't know. That's in fantastic shape, though. I don't think there's much value. Oh, it's missing the lens, so that'll probably just go in my yard sale. There's a Bell and Howell. This one's a Optron. Oh, I love the look of that one. There was nuts in there. Auto load, it says. Super 8. Pretty cool. The paperwork's in with that one. I don't know what you guys think. Would you have paid $40 for this lot so far? Probably not, but we're still going, and there's a ton more to go. This is not a camera. This is a digital blood pressure meter. It was just in the box. Like I said, I didn't sort the boxes, so I don't know. This was in there too. It's a Mikasa tray. Here's that Kodak Instamatic. that, brand new in there. Bulbs have never been used. That one's still sealed. This one's sealed, but the plastic's coming off. So brand new, it's still got the paperwork. A lot of these cameras appear to be never used. At least a couple that I've looked at. This one may have been used, but hard to say. Kodak Instamatic 124 color outfit. Probably not a ton of value in that one. Alright, what's this one? Nothing on the outside of the box. Oh! Oops. Focal Kmart. These are vintage Kmart. Oh yeah, they work. 7x35. Probably not a lot of value there either. But you never know. It's got all these lens covers in there, and they don't let the things go back in. I do know there's a pair of Bushnells in there somewhere. Big heavy pair somewhere. All right. All right, here's a mystery box. I have no idea. It says Dolly Mix, color brown, but it's not shoes. Oh, lots of little stuff. Weston direct reading. Kodak ready mounts. I don't know what those are. Oh, they're for transparencies. There's a little GE projector lamp. It's probably a light meter here, Weston light meter. Yep, that's what it is. Snapshot dial for Kodak guide, and a Kodak adapter ring. So might be a little bit of value there. I do not know. Pretty cool little mystery box though. No idea what that is. Looks like a little sponge. Hey, what do you know? Polaroid 600. Polaroids don't do what they used to, but I think that takes, no, that's probably SX70. Polaroid Pronto land camera. So. And the case for the Polaroid, so that will add a couple dollars to it. I'm hoping for the big fully SX70s, but I don't know if there's one in. Okay, here's a pair of Bushnells. This is in the bottom of the box. Like I said, I didn't even know. Oh wow, those look brand new. Look at that. The cap fell off, but look at the quality of that. Bushnell Instafocus 10x50. Now would you guys pay $40 for this? I think we're starting to get there. I looked at the first couple of cameras and saw the quality of them. Looked like most of them were really good condition. They got these all at an auction. They didn't know what they had. They just were flipping it. So nice. Here's the pair I saw, and well, I don't know that they're Bushnell, but the case was leather. Dr. Beck or Dr. Beck, 12x34. Nice case. Again, don't know if there's any value in this stuff, but cool. Nikon in the box. 100 quartz date, light to touch. I don't doubt there's any value in this. It looks like a little point and shoot. Still got the paperwork. Whoever's cameras these were took really good care of them. Oh, here's a giant case. No markings on the outside. There's a little rust on the clip, so let's see what we got. It's a Polaroid. This type of Polaroid doesn't really have much value, so they'll probably go on my yard sale. There's a couple of this one in there. Oh, another giant piece. Again, no markings on the outside, so it's a mystery. Looks like the same camera. Another Polaroid. That'll be a yard sale item. $1, I don't care. If I get $1 for every one of these cameras, I'll make my money back, and then I probably won't. Okay, so this is a flash unit for Retaflex and Pioneer cameras and scope. I can hear rattling. Yep, we're not going to open that one right now, but that's what that is. Ansco flash unit. It looks like that. There's a Kodak 35mm S900 Tele, probably telephoto lens. Still got the packaging. Look at that. Looks like it's missing something, but it's there. And so far, it looks like everything is what it says it is on the boxes. So not bad. The only thing it's missing is the film. Probably batteries. It's actually not missing the film. So this is one of those Kodak disc cameras, Disc 4000, still with the box, still attached to this thing. There, we got it out. But I mean, it looks used, but it's amazing what's in here. The paperwork goes with it. I might have some of that disc film somewhere. It's actually supposed to be in the box this way. They had it in there upside down. There we go. Should fit a little better. There may even be some disc film in here. I don't know. Apologize for the delay. I'm trying to get that back in there. Oh, nice set of Archer 8-ohm headsets. Adjustable headband. Wow, they're all in there too. There's some paperwork we won't look at, but the headset is in there. There's some old batteries that I need to get rid of. Man, too bad they're not stealing the package. Those actually go for really good money. Good thing about this Archer headset, it's actually got the smaller jack. Well, that's actually not even the right jack. Detector intended to aid farmer. Nice. Put all that back. Archer is made for Radio Shack, and some of that stuff actually has some really good value. I'm not sure that this particular item does. Nice set of headsets. Nice headset. Earmuffs. What do we got? Minolta Freedom. Action Zoom 90 date kit. Comes with a bag. There's a camera in that bag. That's a nice bag. So that's the camera. And it still works. I see that the batteries are still in it. The time is working. Even if these are $10 a piece camera profit, I'm going to do really well. Summer slow down my ass, right? And then here's the actual box for the camera. It's empty. It's got the paperwork in there and everything. And the last thing in that box, it says Hitachi portable radio, model BH421. Let's see what that is. Holy Lord, look at that. I'm not taking it out of there, but look at that. It's got the cord. I don't know what that is. Let's see. It's got the guy's name in there. This guy took really good care of his stuff. If that radio works, it'd be pretty cool. If it's not got any value, I'll keep it myself. That is sweet. That box had to have weighed 50 pounds. It was heavy. All right, that's just the first box. I'd have probably paid 40 bucks for that box, but box number 2. I knew that this camera wasn't worth anything, so I just, but it was a camera, so I threw it in. Then I dropped it, and this broke. Let's see what this is. AZO glossy single weight. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think it's photo paper, vintage photo paper. I'm not going to take it all out of there, but I had cameras from just about every era. There we go. Sensitized paper, Eastman Kodak. That's got to have some value. Even 10 bucks is fine. Here's one in a bag. It's an Ansco Pioneer. So we saw something for the Ansco Pioneer earlier, and now we have. This camera's a little rough, but there it is. Ansco Pioneer. Still works. I mean, it's still shutter. It's got the paperwork too. Get it back in there. All right. This is a Kodak Brownie Hawkeye with the flash. I don't think there's a lot of value in that particular camera. This I saw in there. This is a cassette player. This is the coolest old cassette. I mean, it weighs about a pound at least. Take it out, and it does work. It still has batteries. It is Longines Symphony LTP 417. It's actually got a cassette in there, and it works. I think the cassette is blank because it wasn't making any noise, but the volume could be down and I didn't play with it. Let's try. It's turning. I don't even know what. Yeah, I think the tape is blank. But it does work, so it's cool. Another cheaper, low-end Polaroid that doesn't have any value. This one says Capital. Like I said, these were all thrown in with the thing. This looks like a generic cheapy camera that you'd have bought at a discount store back in the day, or maybe a Kmart or something. Oh, that one's cool. Adventurer 620. It's like a kid's camera. That is neat. Probably no value in that thing, but it's neat. There's a book. Illustrated Catalog Photographic Outfits and Supplies, Eastman Kodak. It says no, March or 1936. Got a little moth holes in it, but 1126 Euclid Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio. I've actually been probably right by that place. Little Nippon, little cheap Japanese camera. Here is another Brownie. This is the Brownie 20. We'll leave it in the bag. Has the paperwork with it and a flash unit. Brownie Starflex. It's a cool looking camera. paperwork. And this is the camera. And it has flash memory. That is neat. I could probably lot a bunch of this stuff up. This one, I think you lifted up this thing here and you could see the view. Another Polaroid yard sale fodder. This is oh, that little box camera even has the paperwork with it, so I'll have to put those together. So now I know it's a number 2 and 2A cartridge Hawkeye camera, Model B. Tells you how to use it and everything. 1928. And check that out. That's neat. And I guess the billows are bad. I'm not sure how to open it. We'll play with it later, but this is a Kodak. It doesn't say the model on it. Number 411 or A116. That's the film. It's a little rough, so I doubt this one has any value, but it's cool. Somebody will buy that for a shelf sitter. Nice little roll of tape and an old flash bulb. Okay, but wait, there's more. Alright, here's the last box. This one's an Olympus AF Zoom Infinity Super Zoom 3000. And it turns on. Holy shit. That is cool. Olympus Stylus 35mm camera. They bought this at US Nationwide something. It's in the box. Probably not a lot of value, but who knows? There's another cheapy Polaroid. I'll still look these up. This one has the paperwork with it. I'll still look them up, but this is a Color Pack 3. I don't think there's a lot of value in these. It's an official Polaroid bag. Here's another one that I saw. I haven't really looked it up, but it seems to be new in there. They paid $44.90 for it. I apologize for the wind. So we're going to look at it together for the first time. That thing's fantastic. GAF Colt 94. So at least I'll definitely get my $40 back. Even if I sold these for $2 in a yard sale, I'll double my money probably. But I'm not going to do that. Most of these, anything that can go on eBay will. Anything that can't will then go into the yard sale. Everything has paperwork with it. Alright. Here's a Argus Flash Gun C3 number 751. And it's in there. That looks brand new. That looks like it's never been taken out. I'll still sell all this as used, but got awards, probably Sears, I'm guessing. It's awards EE44, low-end camera. At least it looks like it. Looks nice and clean inside though. Another pair of binoculars. These are Tokyo Morco or something. 6 by 99.3. The one lens is shattered inside. You can't see through them. So I doubt much value, but we'll look them up anyway. This guy really liked his Polaroids. Square shooter, I never even heard of that one. this one out. This is a auxiliary lens set telephoto for Kodak disc cameras. These accessories could be worth good money because they're harder to find. But you put this right on the front of that little Kodak. It's still sealed new in there, it looks like. So I won't take that out. Looks like I might have a couple of them. Oh no, that's the only one. This is Kodak's answer to the Polaroid. This is a Pleaser 2 instant camera. Pretty rough shape on this one. It looks like you had to wind it. I have no idea. Oh, it's an instant camera. Another Polaroid. That one's rough. Oh no, that's a Kodak. Kodak, the handle looks like another instant camera. Still got the winder. This one looks nice. This is a Durax. The bellows look pretty clean and nice. This appears to be unhinged, but it looks like it's fixable. I don't want to mess with it too much. Nice heavy camera. Kona Shiroroku. It looks like a Japanese company. Pretty cool. Here's a mystery camera. Kodak Pocket Tote, it says. It's a Keystone Everflash 10. There's looks like a slide viewer. A DLX slide viewer. It says viewer, so I'm assuming that's what it is. Yeah, slides. That's pristine. I don't think that was ever used. It seems like maybe an old camera shop. Here's a Kodak. See a model number, but pretty cool. Kodak. They had $10 on it, but then they let them go for $1. They didn't care, and then I got them even cheaper than that. This is a Agfa. Looks like there might be something issues with it. Looks like this pulls out. Oh no, goes right back in. I don't see a model number, but I'll figure it out. Might be missing something here. Sorry I'm taking so long on some of these. Just they're the ones I find interesting. Wow, that one's neat. VR35 Kodak Ektar lens. Yeah, they use Kodacolor VR film apparently. Set of headphones or headphones looking glasses. What do you call these things? Binoculars. These look fairly cheap. Interoptica is the brand name. Alright, we got a bag. The bag is rough. My cats are playing. That's just playing. It's not real fighting. Challenger disc camera. Kodak. Another disc camera. Paperwork's in there too. We've got Housefield Reflect Zoom. That one actually feels like there might be film. There is. I just exposed it, but I actually have a projector. I can watch that stuff. Alright, here's a nice little one. It says Kodak. It is a Pony 828. Instamatic 400. This one has issues. Instamatic X15. Still shutters. Got some old, oh, that's sealed. Signature color film. Battery. Never used. There's some cool stuff in this today. Another light meter. And old Dymo. I think it's Dymo. Label maker. Dashu Business, actually. It's not Dymo. Looks like it works. She's going to work, so she can't help me today, but okay, at that same yard sale, now I added an additional $5 and got this box. So this one has Mario Kart Double Dash, Sonic Heroes, looks like MarioWare Inc., SpongeBob SquarePants Creature from the Black Lagoon, or from the Krusty Krab, sorry. There's a few PlayStation games in here. Lego Batman, some sports games, Sonic Secret Rings, The Godfather, Cosmic Family for Wii, Toy Story 2, looks like a DVD, some DVDs. Good movies. Cat in the Hat. Let's see, Mario Brothers Mix. It's Xbox 360 BioShock. Xbox 360 Skate 3 and Assassin's Creed. She's putting the top down. Sealed PS2 memory cards. This was sealed. 30 great games. This I think it was about $20–25 on Amazon. And I like these little things. Sometimes they have some value. These are just music to go. It's a little speaker. Try me, it says. I don't know if it works. It may or may not, but TLC, no scrubs. We also got this Avon Creatures Needlecraft. Some of this stuff does really well. And all these they're Barbie by UNESCO. They're collector plates. Now, I don't know if there's much value in some of these. There may be. This one's never even been open. That one's been open. We'll check one and I'll show you what they are. But they are Barbie. They got the UNESCO seal. This one is Statue of Liberty Barbie. Looks like designed for FAO Schwarz. They had a quarter a piece on these at that yard sale, or the whole box for $2. But I put it in with a package deal, and got all that you've seen for 45 bucks. All right, now on to other yard sales. This says a quarter on it, and I didn't know what it was, but I pulled it out. It looks like a little tiny RC car. So for a quarter, I said, hell yeah. I don't know if it works. I don't know what battery it takes. I have no idea. But there's your controls, and there's the little car. I thought, if nothing else, I'll play with it. For a quarter, right? And it's like a cassette tape almost. Neat. Chromium FX 02 or 20. Stealth Rides it's called. Pretty neat. This is just a hard case. It says Susie Orman's projection portfolio, but we bought it just for the case because it's a nice sturdy case. It was $1. This was 50 cents. It's a corn peeler, but not the kind of corn you're thinking. Corn cutter. It's for your feet, but it's brand new in the box. I don't think it's ever been used. Little razor blades are still in there. There's one in it. So I thought, you know, for 50 cents, I'll take a little. It's Hornot and Hobel, petty, plain for corns. I just thought it was too cool to pass up. 50 cents. This was 25 cents, and I didn't buy it for resale, but if it's worth something, I will, because it is by Radica and it does work. But I had this game before, so I like playing it. Sturgis. All right, Suzuki 96 to 2000. This goes for about $27 on Amazon. It's in pretty nice shape. 50 cents. And this was also 50 cents. I got this for my son. He likes baseball and sports movies. So that's one of his favorites. This was in a free box. I don't know if it's worth anything. I haven't looked it up yet. Institute in Basic Youth Conflicts, Research and Principle of Life. And I have a feeling this is a good book, but if not, it'll just go in my yard sale. And also at that same place, this Art History, 2nd edition, volume 1. It's a little rougher. She's got notes in here, but it was in the free box, so she was studying art history at one time. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's got some sort of weird dirt on it, so I'll have to clean it up. I always pick these up. I can get about $25 to $30 for them. It's just Bible trivia. This was also in that free box, so you got a board game. Looks very nice inside. The box is a little rough. There should be some, yeah, there they are. I don't know if this one was ever played. The stickers are still there, and all the tokens and stuff are still in there. So the box is rough, but the game inside is good, and I need pieces every once in a while. So I haven't sold one in a while, but they do sell. Wooden cutting board for 50 cents. It's been used quite a bit, but for 50 cents, it's a Miracle Blade cutting board. That's for my wife. She got that. Pretty rough set of Timberland boots, but they were 50 cents. I'm going to see if I can clean this stuff up. If I can't, they'll go in my yard sale for $1 or $2. But if I can, then Timberland boots are good to buy. Always check to see if they crack. On any shoes, not just Timberland. book was 50 cents. It goes, I'll make about $10 on Amazon with it. It's about how to build tree houses by David Stiles. Good little book. Beachbodyopoly goes for about $20, $25 on Amazon. And it's new sealed. I paid $3. Actually $2. I paid $2 for that one. And Make Your Own Monopoly goes for, I think I'll make like $35 on Amazon with this one. And I paid $3 for it. Oh, one of my largest purchases of the day was this, Skechers Shape Ups. You guys know about Skechers Shape Ups, but they're in there. I paid $10. They've only been worn a few times. It looks like they're in really nice shape. Also came with all the original paperwork and a disc. I didn't see any online with all this stuff with it, so I'm going to ask about $80 for them and see what happens. They're in really nice shape. They might need a tiny bit of cleaning, but anytime you see the men's Skechers Shape Ups, they're good, I guess. People love this shit. And if that wasn't enough, what's in this box will amaze you, especially when you see that I paid $5 for it. So pull them out one by one. Star Wars Rogue Squadron, not great. I wouldn't have paid $5 for that. Star Wars Episode Racer, not great. Wouldn't have paid $5 for that. But wait, there's a controller. Well, maybe we're getting the $5. Wait, there's Zelda. And I'm not going to pull it out, but the entire system's in there. One controller, 3 games. It does have the memory pack thing in there. I didn't test it, but for $5 I'll buy that all day. I think we're done. Spent probably a little under $100 today. And I think the cameras will return me on my investment quite quickly and very profitably. So I'm happy with what I found. Even if the cameras don't bring as much money as I hope, there's still a lot of money sitting here, so I still well over $100. Just that Monopoly, Make Your Own Monopoly is really good. So, and the Skechers. So just between those 2 items, I should make my money back and then some, and we're good to go. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because if you don't, you won't know when I'm going to be live. No summer slowdown for me.